Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to my channel. In this project, I'll show you how an Android app communicates with an ESP32 using Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. The app can send commands to the ESP32 and receive updates from it in real time, making it perfect for IoT and embedded system projects. Let's get started. First, I developed the app in C# using .NET MAUI, a cross-platform framework. You can find the Android APK, GitHub repository, and schematic diagrams in the video description. Here I am running the app on my smartphone via USB debugging in Visual Studio, which allow faster testing, easier deployment, and simpler Bluetooth debugging. After developing and testing the mobile app, I uploaded the final code to the ESP32 using Visual Studio Code with the Platform I/O extension. Once the terminal detects the ESP32 port, I press the boot button and wait for the upload to complete. Next, it's time to wire the components on the breadboard. I'm using a push button to control an LED and update its states in the Android app. The circuit uses a 5mm LED with a 220 ohm current limiting resistor. Now I power up the ESP32 and test the system, both with the physical push button and through the Android app. I also wanted to take this a step further by testing a relay module to control a 7W 220V LED bulb and wiring everything with an electrical plug. I've included a separate schematic diagram for the relay setup. Important, follow it carefully when working with high voltage devices. Never touch live wires. I've added temporary heat shrink tubing to the connection wires and avoid touching the back of the relay module while it's powered on. Now I connect the three terminals of the relay to the ESP32, replacing the LED that was on pin D2. Then I test the relay to make sure it works. Next, I put the bulb in its socket and connect the plug. Finally, I open the application, start scanning, and test the relay. Since the relay operates on a low-level signal, I modified the ESP32 code to be compatible with low-level triggering. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.